You've successfully navigated the world of crypto, bought some digital assets on Uphold, and now you're wondering, how do I get that money back into my bank account? If you've ever felt a little lost trying to bridge the gap between your Uphold wallet and your traditional finances, you're definitely not alone. It's a common question, and thankfully, the process is quite straightforward once you know the steps. Many of us get into cryptocurrency with the excitement of investment and potential gains, but the real-world utility often comes down to being able to convert those gains back into usable currency. Maybe you've made a profit, or perhaps you simply need to access some of your funds for an everyday expense. Whatever the reason, understanding the withdrawal process is crucial for managing your digital wealth effectively. Before we dive into the how, let's quickly touch on a couple of important points. First, ensure your Uphold account is fully verified. This is a standard KYC, Know Your Customer, procedure that most financial platforms require, and it's essential for enabling withdrawals. If you haven't completed verification, you'll need to do that first. Second, be aware of any withdrawal limits that Uphold might impose, as these can vary based on your verification level and the type of currency you're withdrawing. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of withdrawing money from Uphold to your bank account. The first step is to log into your Uphold account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the Transact or Move Money section. This is usually pretty prominent on the dashboard. Next, you'll need to specify what you want to withdraw. You'll see an option to select from and to. In the From field, choose the cryptocurrency or fiat currency wallet on Uphold that holds the funds you wish to withdraw. For example, if you want to withdraw Bitcoin, select your Bitcoin wallet. If you've already converted your crypto to USD or another fiat currency within Uphold, select that fiat currency wallet. In the To field, this is where you'll select your linked bank account. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll need to do so at this stage. Uphold typically supports linking bank accounts via ACH, Automated Clearing House, transfers in the United States, and similar bank transfer methods in other supported regions. You'll usually need to provide your bank's routing number and your account number. Make sure these details are absolutely correct to avoid any delays or issues. Once you've selected your source wallet and your destination bank account, you'll then enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Double-check this amount to ensure it's what you intend. Uphold will typically show you any associated fees for the transaction at this point. It's important to review these fees so you know exactly how much you'll receive in your bank account. After reviewing the details, you'll confirm the transaction. Uphold might require you to enter your two-factor authentication, 2FA, code for added security. Once confirmed, the withdrawal process begins. The time it takes for the funds to appear in your bank account can vary. ACH transfers, for instance, typically take 1 to 3 business days to clear. International bank transfers might take longer. Uphold will usually provide an estimated arrival time, and you can track the status of your withdrawal within your transaction history on the platform. And that's essentially it. A few clicks, some careful input of your bank details, and your digital assets are on their way back to your traditional bank account. It's a process designed for ease of use, bridging the gap between the exciting world of crypto and your everyday financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.